In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy on eBay without getting scammed. Buying on eBay in 2025 can be a smooth and safe experience if you know how to protect yourself from scams while taking advantage of the platform's buyer protections. eBay has introduced more secure payment systems, seller verification features, and refund guarantees. But you still need to be cautious, especially with high value purchases. The first step is to always check the seller's reputation. Every seller has a feedback score that shows how reliable they are based on past transactions. Look for sellers with a high positive rating above 98% and read through recent reviews to spot any recurring complaints. Avoid listings that seem too good to be true, like brand new items sold at prices far below the market average, as these are often red flags for scams. When paying, always use eBay's official checkout system with PayPal or eBay payments. This ensures that your purchase is covered by eBay's money back guarantee, which refunds you if the item doesn't arrive, arrives damaged, or isn't as described. Never agree to pay sellers directly via bank transfer, cryptocurrency, or gift cards, since those methods bypass eBay's protections and leave you vulnerable to fraud. Another way to stay safe is to carefully read the full listing description and look closely at the photos. Genuine sellers usually provide multiple clear pictures of the actual product rather than stock images. If the description is vague or the seller avoids answering questions, it's better to walk away. Also, check the estimated delivery time and shipping method. Sometimes scammers list fake tracking numbers, but eBay now flags suspicious tracking activity more effectively. Finally, if something feels off during communication, trust your instincts. Keep all messages within eBay's messaging system rather than switching to email or text, since eBay can only protect you if interactions happen on their platform. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.